In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram connecting problem. Well, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Telegram. So if you find a connecting or waiting for network text at the upper left corner of your screen, the first thing that you'll need to check is your connection. Go ahead and head over to your settings and check if you're connected to a Wi-Fi or another type of internet connection. If you aren't connected to one, it can be the reason why your Telegram is connecting. It can also be due to the fact that the internet connection that you're using is slow. That's why your Telegram app is still connecting to the internet. Another thing that you can check would be the Play Store. If you haven't updated Telegram, it can be due to the fact that your Telegram app is outdated and there are some fixes and patches that need to be installed. And that's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.